Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, introducing. My name is Nani Siska Putri Khan, graduate in 2018 from the Faculty of Industrial Chemical Engineering Technology Program, majoring Chemical Engineering of Polytechnic Negeri Luxmawe. As a fresh graduate, the desire to continue to learn and increase knowledge and seek experience is a motivation for me. I want to learn the Indonesia mining industry through this program and development the potential that I have. So Antam Fresh Graduate Program 2018 is the best first step for me to work and be a part of Antam. I feel my biggest weakness is easy to forget. In anticipation, I always carry a small notebook as the best way to reduce my weakness. Besides that, I also always make a list as a reference that I use as a priority determinant of work, making it easier for me to review the result of the work I have done. Because I really care about detail. The strength that I have, I am a hardworking person. Because I believe in being able to work with professional people, skill is the key, and I'm sure I can contribute well. Because of my passion in research as a member of the Fuga Aceh Foundation research, besides that I am also an education ambassador of Polytechnic Negeri Luxmawe. By joining of these associations, much of the time I spent was spent visiting various schools and agency to conduct counseling. The first experience of my industrial work was an internship at PT Perkebunan Nusantara Sementok from August to September 2017. In April 2016, I was selected as the winner of the Polytechnic Awards, and in August 2016, I was selected as the Mahasiswa Berprestasi Nasional. I also had the opportunity to be the presenter of the third International Conference on Chemical Engineering, Science and Application 2016. As a chemical engineering, I want to have experience in the industry, especially the mining industry. Through AFG 2018, I want to be a part of Antam, so that I can contribute significantly through the knowledge that I have. Based on experience, academic achievement, and great passion, inshallah, I deserve to be an EFGP 2018 participant. Because I believe in all my abilities and desires to continue to learn and improve my abilities, I can contribute fully to PT Antam and become a better generation of Indonesia.